All right, today we're going to show you how you can save money. Yes, we're going to show you how to save money on your wash by not having to use so much hot water. So you probably haven't even noticed this, but a lot of today's detergents are designed to work with cold water washing. But the problem is that we're still using warm water, maybe even hot. If you use hot, you're using 100% hot water. If you use warm, you're using a mix of cold and hot, but you're still using hot water. And the detergent that you're using today is most likely engineered and designed to use only cold. But the problem is we forget to do that. So if you're running it on warm or if you're running it on hot, we're going to show you a hack that you can do today so you never have to worry about using or wasting hot water while you're using a cold water detergent. So if you're doing this or this, it's not going to matter. You're only going to use cold water. So let's show you how to do that. So just now what we're going to do is we're going to remove these hoses, and just be mindful that there's water inside these hoses. Even though the valves are shut, there's water inside the hose. So you want to have something like a small container or a bucket. So when you take these hoses out, you're going to bring this at ground level and all the water is going to go in there. Okay, so let's remove these two hoses and continue with the process. Okay, so that valve is already shut. Then we're going to do the same thing for the cold. We're going to turn it and shut it. Okay, we already removed the water pipes. And nothing you need to panic about, but there's a little bit of water in there. That's fine. That's what you got, the little bucket or collector that you're using. So once you do that, let's go ahead and see our kit. Here is our kit that we got from Amazon. We'll briefly explain what it does and how it works. So this here will connect to your water coming in from your city source. And now both pipes of the washing machine are going to connect to this Y connection. So therefore, whenever you turn on either hot or cold on the machine here, you're only going to get cold. And this is to help you if in case you forget and you still it's something that's habitual. You might just be using hot or warm, but you're still using cold water detergent. It's designed for cold water wash. Like the Tide. The Tide is like the first ones that came up with that. So this Y connection will allow you to only use cold water. And then what you want to do on the hot water side from your city source is just put one of these caps on them. Make sure it's got a little rubber gasket like these, and keep it turned off. But this is just like another added layer of safety. So you're going to turn off the valve, which it already is off right now. And then we're just going to cap it off and put these caps on there. Alright, here's the finished process of everything. So as you can see, I'm going to shine the light back there. There's an off right on that valve, and I can see it. So the valve is shut. And we also put our end cap there. And then on our cold water side is where we have that Y connection. We decided not to use that long extension at the top. Just connect it there right into it. And just make sure everything is tightened. The back, as you can see, is open right now. So that valve is open and that one is closed. That one's pushed to the left. This one's pushed to the right. And then you just want to make sure you don't have any leaks. So look for any drips. Use a rag and make sure it's completely dry, and then feel it with your fingers and make sure there's no leaks there. But this will help you save some hot water costs. Basically the electricity that's being used by your water heater, whether it's a tank or a tankless, you're not going to be using electricity because you're no longer using hot water. So if this is a hack that you like, please give us a like, please subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Feel free to do so. Thank you very much for watching.